When toxins accumulate in the body, they impede the normal functioning of the body, and that is when disease arises. So the whole goal of Panchakarma is to expel toxins from the body. What is Panchakarma? Panchakarma is first and foremost the Ayurvedic system of detoxification. In Ayurveda, it is said that the root cause of all of our ailments, be it physical or mental, is the accumulation of toxicity in the body. How do we get toxins? We get toxins through the food we eat, through the air we breathe, through the thoughts we think, and through the drinks we drink. So there's a wide range of sources of toxins. When toxins accumulate in the body, they impede the normal functioning of the body, and that is when disease arises. So the whole goal of Panchakarma is to expel toxins from the body. Many places will advertise a 7-day Panchakarma, a 14-day Panchakarma, a 5-day Panchakarma, what have you. There's all kinds of variations in the marketplace. But realistically, Panchakarma, to be done properly, is a 4-phase process. Phase 1 involves preparation of the body. Phase 2 involves detoxification of the body. And Phase 3 involves strengthening of the body. And Phase 4 involves balancing the body. Each of those phases in a perfect world require 5 to 7 days for a normal, healthy individual. But then when you talk about adding ailments in there, chronic back pain, or headaches, or digestive problems, or skin disorders, or what have you, then it requires more time. If you've had an ailment for years, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, is it realistic to expect that that ailment can be solved in a few days? It's unrealistic. Therefore, Panchakarma requires time. And if you give it time, you will see results. So that's the bottom line.